Hey friend, still staring at that blank page? This week we're turning fear into fun with AI. I've written 1,000 briefs, but the blank page still used to scare me. Not anymore. Stop fighting the blank page. Start outsourcing it to AI and watch the ideas flow. 2 hours on one sentence? I've been there. This week we're doing it smarter and happier, using AI to create polished first drafts with zero stress. Your new creative team, Claude for long-form, ChatGPT for quick iterations, and Canva AI for gorgeous visuals. Creative block? Not today helps us overcome it and brings the joy back to creating. This week's goal? Use AI to beat the blank page and produce polished, beautiful first drafts. Let's do it. From scary blank page to ready-to-go content in minutes. Week 4 is going to be awesome! Mean blank page panic. Now they mean creative celebration. Time to stop fearing the blank page and start loving the creative journey again. I have never stopped fearing the blank page until I started teaming up with AI. Claude writes the words, ChatGPT improves them, Canva AI makes them beautiful, teamwork makes the dream work. Ready to turn your blank page into your best work ever? Week 4 is going to be so much fun. Let's go! It's just the exciting beginning of something wonderful. Welcome to week 4. Past the hesitation, now it's time for the fun part. Let's turn that blank page into pure creative joy. Whole career I was told creativity is something machines can't do. Turns out that wasn't entirely true. I'm not replacing my creativity, I'm using AI to skip the part I hate and jump straight to the part I love. AI handles the scary blank page and I get to do what I'm actually great at. Making it better, the magic mindset. AI is my first draft machine and I'm the final draft editor. No more guilt about using AI. I'm not losing my creativity, I'm setting it free. AI gets me past the blank page so I can focus on the creative work I truly enjoy. Creativity isn't gone, it's just starting later in the process, and that feels amazing. The big pivot. Stop seeing AI as a threat and start seeing it as my creative accelerator. To fight the blank page, now I outsource it and save all my energy for the fun editing part. This simple shift changed everything. AI writes the rough draft, I make it shine. I'm still the creative heart of the work. AI just helps me get there faster and happier. No more creative guilt. I'm using AI to unlock more of my real talent every single day. The tension is over. AI isn't stealing creativity, it's giving me more space to be brilliantly creative. This is how we create better, faster, and with way more joy. Lesson 1. Turn a loose idea into 5 fresh concepts in minutes with Claude. Creativity just got supercharged. One simple prompt about home protection before winter, and boom, 5 creative directions appear. 1 out of 5 is genuinely good. That's exactly my normal batting average, too. This took 4 minutes. Normally I'd spend 90 minutes to get one decent idea. AI just saved me time. The concept generator is ready. Just describe your campaign and let AI brainstorm for you. Not every idea is gold, but one great one in 5 minutes? That's a winning game. Now I'd pick the winner, then let's build on it. The real fun is just beginning. Storming used to take forever. Now it's fast, fun, and full of surprises. Trustworthy brand? AI still delivers creative, warm, and smart directions. One genuinely good idea in 4 minutes. Hello, new favorite workflow. Same success rate as solo brainstorming, except way faster and way more fun. Lesson 1 complete. Your personal concept generator is now live and ready to help. Lesson 2. Take one good idea and expand it into headlines, briefs, posts, and emails, all in minutes. Turn one tagline into 3 strong headlines. AI gives options, you pick the best. 5. Ready to adapt social posts in the campaign voice, super fast. Even an internal stakeholder email? AI drafts it, then you edit with your touch. AI creates the first draft. You bring the heart and polish. Perfect teamwork. And just like that, it's personalized. From one concept to full campaign assets, all in one joyful flow. Building out ideas has never felt this light and exciting. Generate fast, then edit with love. That's the secret sauce. No more starting from zero. One strong concept and everything grows from there. Headlines, briefs, posts, emails, all flowing from one smart AI start. Lesson 2. Expand fast, edit happily, and watch your campaign come alive. One seed idea becomes a whole garden with AI as your helpful gardener. Lesson 3. Teach AI how you write. Start with 3 sentences about your brand voice. Give AI one piece of copy you love, then ask it to match that exact voice. Watch the magic. AI learns your voice and starts writing just like you. The write it, then teach it loop makes every piece feel authentically yours. Human writes, teaches AI, refines it, and you get better output. Loop, and your brand voice gets single time. No more generic AI tone. Teach it your style and keep your unique personality. 3 sentences plus 1 great example. That's all you need to train your AI partner. Once AI knows your voice, every draft feels warm, trustworthy, and totally on brand. Your voice, your heart, just faster. This loop is pure creative freedom. Yes! Lesson 3 complete! Now I can teach AI my style! No more generic responses! Lesson 4. 5 things to always fix an AI copy. Let's make it shine together. Delete the hollow opener. Start with action instead. Remove fake urgency unless you really mean it. Keep it honest and warm. No more jargon stacks. Say it simply and clearly. People love that. Turn vague benefits into specific, helpful ones. Your audience will thank you. Cut the sign-off cliches. End with something real and memorable. AI loves average phrases because they're everywhere. Your job is to make it better. See? Much better. Remove the 5 common patterns and your copy instantly feels human and trustworthy. Every insurance company says we're here for you. Let's say something fresh instead. Fix these 5 things every time and your editing becomes fast and fun. Optimized images, proofread text, and mobile-friendly. AI gives the rough diamond. You polish it into something beautiful and authentic. Your editing turns good AI drafts into great brand voice. Remember, AI is the first draft machine. You are the brilliant editor. Edit out the average. Keep the heart. That's how we create marketing that truly connects. Lesson block complete. You now have the tools to generate, build, match voice, and edit like a pro with way more joy. My Q4 campaign is the best I've brought to Sandra in 2 years, and I did it with AI. Sandra asked if I worked with an agency. I said no, but I did work with something pretty amazing. I worked with AI, I just haven't decided what to call it yet. My new favorite creative partner. Takeaway 1, the blank page is the enemy. AI completely destroys it for us. Everything after the blank page is still 100% your creative work. AI just helps you start. Takeaway 2, creativity isn't diminished by collaboration, even when your collaborator is a machine. Affirmative. Takeaway 3, the real magic happens in the edit. AI gives you something to react to. Reactions, your expertise, your taste, that's where your true creativity lives. Assignment time, generate 3 AI versions first, then write your own. Notice what sparks new ideas. Blank page is gone. Your creativity is stronger than ever. Go create something wonderful this week.
Hey, before you go, you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Helps the channel more than you think. And drop a comment below. Tell me what you want to see next. Stick around. Your next video is waiting for you right here.